How's it going, people? Back again with another quick unboxing video, and just wanted to share another aircraft model that I've bought. So yeah, I thought I'd just do a quick unboxing. There's only one in this box this time, which is kind of odd because there's a massive box. So I'm just quickly get into the box. Shed load of packaging, which is always nice. One for the recycling, more bubble wrap, one for the recycling, and I'm sure you can probably see the model. Put a knife down so I don't cut my hand open. See the model in there, and yeah, here it is. What have I got? I've got you can see that, the Qatar 7478F freighter, the 1 to 400 scale, registration A7 BGB. This is a Phoenix model. Another Phoenix one. Rather dusty. Maybe it's come from a dusty warehouse. Yeah, box is fairly standard. Yeah, print of the actual product on it with a side of dust, which is always nice, especially with this whole situation. So you need to stay clean. This is a sponsored video. Quick shout out to my sponsor, UK Boss Foods, who deliver the best of British foods worldwide. Pull this down. So yeah, so just visit their website, www.ukbossfoods.com. I mean, I'll also put them in the comment section. So yeah, give them a shout. They deliver worldwide, so whatever you want from Britain and you can't get it in your respective country, they will source it and send it out to you. They're quite competitively priced as well, so they're not going to rip you off, so which is always a good thing. Just crack on with the unboxing. Just quickly open this, get dust all over my hands. Whoa. Typical Phoenix box. Get this out. I thought I'd do a cargo one this time, or I thought I'd buy a cargo aircraft due to the current situation with all these PPEs and stuff getting moved from A to B. It's always good to highlight the aircraft that are actually delivering them. I've got a UPS cargo aircraft made by Phoenix, and if I'm honest, it's near enough exactly the same, bar the livery. It's actually quite a nice product. I don't know if you can see the wheels, they all spin, which is always nice, not like the some of the Gemini Jets ones that I've had. Good detail. There's a registration. You get the detail on the engines. You've got your antennas below with the Qatar cargo signage on the bottom. You've getting out of focus. You've got the livery there with the 3 windows at the top with all your antennas. The Wi-Fi hub isn't sort of 3D, so it's just a print, but your antennas there at the top are fully there. You can see that. You can see the tail. It's got the 4 engines. Even on the other side, you've got from the rear, you got the tail, got the flag with the registration. You got the Qatar cargo, Qatar lit written in Arabic. Yeah, actually quite a nice model. It's just a quick one, just another one to add to my collection. Now, in my previous videos, I did say that I wanted to buy all the aircrafts that I've actually flown on. Not actually been in a freighter aircraft, but I thought it'd be a nice one to have, and I quite like the livery of Qatar. So yeah, this is my latest one adding to the collection. I think I've got about 11 now. Yeah, quite happy with this. So I'll put this down and yeah, add it to my display cabinet when I get one. But yeah, if you yeah, do check out my other videos and see what you think. Any other recommendations, anything you'd like me to go for next, please let me know in the comment section, and I will see if I can purchase that, or if my sponsor will kindly get that one for me. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share this video, and I will see you on the next one.